Is everybody feeling good out there tonight? All right, thank you, and thank you very kindly. Right now, with great pride and pleasure, we're going to bring to you a special guest. Motivating from all the way across the country, from a little place called Marysville, Ohio. She's new on the circuit, but I know she's gonna be big. In fact, I know she's gonna be huge. You ain't never seen a set of pipes like this. Born in the heart of America. And she's casting a big old shadow all across this country. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? I believe I hear her coming. I believe I hear her coming through the front door right about now. So everybody, make way, step aside. She's coming up. It's my pleasure to introduce to you, and especially you, the sweetest six on two wheels, the Honda Valkyrie. Ow! 1, 2, 3.
With the heart of a legend and a style all its own, the Valkyrie is loaded with features no other bike can match. Like a 6-cylinder 1520cc engine, the biggest we've ever built, 6 carburetors, and a 5.3-gallon fuel tank. A long, comfortable, stretched-out riding position, featuring a removable passenger seat and backrest. Throaty, deep-chromed exhaust system, and shaft final drive. From tip to tail, it's over 8 feet long, with a massive inverted fork, 2-tone steel fenders, triple disc brakes, and fat radial tires on custom cast wheels. And on top of all the chrome already dripping off this machine, there's a whole line of custom accessories just waiting for you. The 1997 Honda Valkyrie. Big, powerful, made in America, like nothing else on the road. And coming soon to your Honda dealer.